Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Chena thandu payar thoran. Chena thandu payar thoran is usually served as a side dish along with rice, especially during Onam feast. Chena thandu is called the stalk of the yam, and payar can be either red lobia or green gram. I have used green gram in my recipe. Even though this is a Kerala dish, I have prepared the dish with a Konkani touch to it. Ingredients: 2 cups of yam stock cut into pieces, half cup green gram, a small piece of dharmasol or brindleberry, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. For seasoning: oil as required for seasoning, a small spoon mustard, a small spoon urad dal, pinch of methi seeds, that is only for the aroma. This is the stock of the yam. Now how to prepare the yam stock. Pull and remove the peels of the stock. Cut it into small pieces. Put the cut pieces in salt water for half an hour. This is to remove the itchiness of the stock. After half an hour, squeeze the stock and keep aside. Preparing the green gram. Wash the green gram and pressure cook it. See that the pressure cooked green gram does not become mushy. Now coming to how to prepare the thoran. Heat oil in a kadai and splutter mustard seeds. Then add the urad dal and saute it till it becomes rose color. Now add the methi seeds, the dharmasol and the yam stock pieces. Add water sufficient to cook the stock pieces. Once done, add the cooked green gram. Mix well. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Now add grated coconut, chilli powder and turmeric. Mix well. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame. Your Chena thandu payar thoran is ready. Serve it with. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel.